Good morning, students. Class 8, you see here. Chapter 3, Exercise 3.2. Understanding quadrilaterals. The property says that sum of the measures of the exterior angles of a polygon. The topic is sum of the measures of the exterior angles of a polygon. Polygons is clear. What is polygon? It is a simple closed curve made by only line segment. In last class, I explained about this, so I think your concept is clear. What is polygon? Now you see the property. The sum of the measures of the external angles of any polygon is 360 degree. You know that polygon is started from triangle. So you draw triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, any polygon, but the sum of their exterior angles will be 360 degree. One experiment I do here. First we draw a triangle ABC. Clear? It is a polygon. We draw its exterior angle X, another Y and Z. So it is clear. And interior angle is 1, 2 and 3. It is a triangle and it is a polygon. First you see it is a polygon, and our statement is the sum of the measurement of the external angles of any polygon. So ABC is a polygon, and we have to prove that the sum of their exterior angle, that is X plus Y plus Z, will be 360 degree. X plus Y plus Z is equal to 360 degree. This we have to prove. Now you see, first we write angle 1 plus X. Which type of angle? Linear pair. About linear pair you have studied in class 7. They are linear pair, angle 1 plus X, and its value is 180 degree. Similarly, angle 2 plus Y is 180 degree. Similarly, angle 3 plus Z, you see here, 180 degree. Now you add all three equations, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 plus X plus Y plus Z. You never think it is not a number, and you not add angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3, never you add. You don't think it is a real number. 1, 2, 3. So you not write angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 is equal to 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 6. You don't think, it is only naming angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. So you write angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus X plus Y plus Z is equal to 180, 180, 180, that is 540 degree. Now angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, sum of interior angles of a polygon. Here it is a triangle, so sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So you write 180 plus X plus Y plus Z is 540 degree. Again X plus Y plus Z equal to 540 minus 180, that is 360 degree. So your concept is clear. Sum of exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degree. Either polygon will be triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, any polygon, but their sum will be fixed, that is 360 degree. Now you see the next property. One exterior angle of regular polygon Now you see here, if the polygon will be regular, regular means all sides and angles are equal, then one exterior angle will be 360 degree upon divided by their sides. If ABC will be a regular polygon, means equilateral triangle, all sides are equal, then their one exterior angle will be 360 divided by 3. That is clear. What will be its exterior angle? 360 divided by 3, that is 120 degree. It is the maximum value of exterior angle. Clear? It is the maximum value of exterior angle, that is 120 degree. Number of sides of regular polygon. How we find how many sides of a polygon? Then what we do? Sum of exterior angles, that is 360 divided by one exterior angle. Sum of exterior angles divided by one exterior angle of a regular polygon. Then we can find the number of sides of a regular polygon. Now you see some questions. Find measure x. Find measure x in figure 3.9. You see this is the figure 3.9. We know that the sum of exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. So you add all the angles, x plus 90 plus 50 plus 110 is equal to 360 degree. You add all the angles and subtract from 360. So x is equal to 360 minus 250, that is 110 degree. So it is clear. Next question you see. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon whose each exterior angle has a measure of 45 degree. This property will follow in regular polygon. So how we find the number of sides? I explained about the formula. Number of sides is equal to sum of exterior angles divided by one exterior angle. Sum of exterior angles, that is 360 divided by one exterior angle, that is given 45 degree. Now you divide it, its value is 8. So the polygon has 8 sides, that is number of side has 8. So it is clear. Now you see the exercise 3.2. Question 1. How you find the value of x? X plus 125 plus 125 is 360. You find x. Similarly, in this question, x, this is linear pair, so its value will be 90 degree. X plus 90 plus 60 plus 90 plus 70 is 360 degree, and you will find the value of x. It is clear. Similarly, question 2, side is given and we have to find each exterior angle. So 360 divided by 9, we find the each exterior angle of a regular polygon. Similarly, you will do, how many sides does a regular polygon have? If the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree, what we do? 360 divided by 24, you will find the sides of the regular polygon. Question 4. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165 degree? What you do? First you will find the exterior angle, 180 minus 165, and you will find the exterior angle, and 360 divided by the finding exterior angle, and you will find the number of sides. So it will clear. Question 5. Is it possible to have regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree? First we will divide exterior angle with this interior angle. 360 divided by 22 degree, which is exterior angle. If 360 is divisible by 22, then it is possible, otherwise it is not possible. Again, can it be? You do yourself. What is the maximum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? I explained about this question in copy, so you do yourself. Similarly, what is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? If interior angle is possible, then you can also find the exterior angle. So you do yourself. All questions you do and you send in my WhatsApp. Thank you.